Welcome back. This is Bhavani Kola. If you've been following me on YouTube and LinkedIn, you now know that I'm a big fan of Google Notebook LM. And I personally feel if you're a student or educator or none of the above, you should still be using Google Notebook LM to synthesize your information and conceptualize the concepts even better. In today's session, we'll be talking about the 3 new features of adding images, deep research, and even customizing your video output using Google Notebook LM. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first feature is deep research. This is a significant agentic AI feature that acts as your dedicated research assistant. Now, you don't have to go into all the different AI tools for your deep research. You have all of this inside your Notebook LM. It takes a question or a prompt and creates a research plan, browses hundreds of websites, and synthesizes the findings into an organized report. You can import the generated report and all its sources directly into your notebook to leverage the other notebook capabilities. Research styles are 2 different kinds. One is deep research for detailed comprehensive report and fast research for quick immediate searches. The next feature is uploading your images. Google has expanded the source file support. Notebook LM can now analyze information from a much wider range of file types, making it easy for us to consolidate our research. You can now upload images like photos of your handwritten notes or diagrams that you usually take or scribble during your meetings. And you can automatically add all of this into your notebook, make it into audio overview, and even interrupt the audio overview and ask questions. How cool is that? If you're like me and you used a video overview in Google Notebook LM, you know that we only had one option. Now, this feature has been enhanced and updated. Users can now define a customized visual identity for video overviews created from their documents. You can choose from offered styles like Studio, Classic, Modern, or create your own using a short description or a prompt. This feature is powered by Gemini 2.5 Flash image technology, aka Nano Banana 2, for improved visual consistencies. If you enjoyed this session, follow for more. Like always, happy teaching, and please take care of yourself.